This early. Is there anything the matter?
No, Your Highness. I met George in my village this morning, so we came here together.
Oh, Lorma. Look at what you're doing to George, my son. Well, he's so engrossed in your love that he no longer knows the difference between day and night. Oloma, you are not a stranger in this place at all. Let me tell you, your bride price was paid when you were born. We'll not be able to do your traditional wedding because you lost your father. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
You're free to come here, stay a number of days you like, number of weeks, months. You go and come back at your will. You're free to do all that. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Highness. Thank you.
Free here. Now, this is the place you should stay and grow old with your children and your husband. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Highness. Thank you.
You're welcome. So why don't you come and join in what I'm eating?
No, Your Highness, I'm not hungry. Okay.
Are you sure?
Let me take a
Well,
slice
this
of
is
bread.
your home.
Nobia, you need to see the courage. That sort of God doesn't exist in this part of the world anymore. You know? You need to see how this girl took my hands. You know, as if she had known me all her life. You understand? And Azubike refused to give me the address.
Whose address? So, my prince, you still talk about that girl?
Honey, that girl saved my life.
You speak as if she saved you from the den of the lions. God saved your life for crying out loud, not her.
Honey, I'm so sorry, okay? All I wanted us to do was to get over to her house and say thanks. That's all. Okay, just cheer up. It's alright. Come on, girl.
Whatever.
Come on.
Your dad said I should come over and spend some days with you.
Really? That sounds like fun. So what are we waiting for? Come on, look at. Please take my lady home, okay? So that she can get her things, okay?
Alright, let me get the car.
Just get on with that, okay? Baby, we are gonna have fun, okay? I'll take you.
You're here. I saw the car outside, so I was wondering if the prince were around. Is he?
But the prince is not here. Hey. I actually brought Aloma back to pick a few of her things.
Okay, okay. It's okay. Instead of waiting here, why don't you come inside and wait for her?
Don't worry, madam. Let me stay here. It seems you are coming back from the market.
One more. Let me just go in and sort the things I bought out.
Okay.
Do I get you a glass of water? Okay. Well done, Onna.
You're welcome.
Ada London. Ada Nia. Ada na-atụkwu anụ. Iwe akụ nne. How? Nne. So, you're going to that big house to spend 1 whole week. Hey, I hope I'll still recognize you by the time you come back. Oh.
Mommy, isn't it just for 1 week? 1 week. Remember, I'll be staying there for the rest of my life.
I know. No. When you get there, and the prince wants to Imalogon, don't reject him. Oh, let him have his way. Luckily, if you get pregnant, nobody will ever drive you away there, even if our secret leaks.
Hey, Mommy, you're corrupting me.
I am not corrupting you. This is marriage. In fact, he's already married to you. Anytime he wants, let him have his way. Oh?
But mistake, Mommy.
That It is me, Wam no. I can never lag behind.
You would.
Keep on packing, keep on packing.
Wow, baby. These are beautiful. Must have cost you a fortune.
Yeah, did.
I hope the money I gave to you was enough.
Though I ran out of cash after I bought my mom's dress, so I couldn't buy anyone from Kujo.
That's no problem, alright? I'll get you some more cash.
Always talking of cash. That was how you sent money to us during my dad's burial instead of coming yourself.
Whoa, baby. It's not like that. The tradition here states that my family and I won't be able to participate in anything that has to do with your family before this using wine ceremony.
Okay.
That was why we sent delegates.
Okay.
I wish my mom were still alive to see today.
Oh, baby, don't talk like that now. That's why I'm here. Don't worry. I mean mother and wife. I will.
It's okay. It's alright. Come on in.
My prince, my lord requests to see you.
Alright. Tell him I'll be with him in a jiffy, alright?
Yes, my prince.
Baby,
Yeah?
let me go and see him, okay?
Alright.
Be with you.
Alright. Go see Papa.
Alright.
George, this is between the two of us. Alright? George, I wanted to talk to you as a trusted son. Alright? Now, I don't want you to have carnal knowledge of her. It's against our tradition. Don't forget this is a royalty expected to lay good examples for people to emulate. Alright? In fact, the idea of bringing her to the palace is for her to get used to everywhere. Do you understand? Or if you can't control yourself staying in the same room with her, then give her a separate room to be able to control your feelings. Do you understand?
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad. I've really thought about that. The guest room beside mine has been arranged for her.
Good. Well, I know I should trust you. You're the son of your father. Don't rush it.
It's alright, Dad.
Good morning, ma.
Gracie? Did you sleep here?
No, ma. It's no longer I came, ma.
Yeah, chai.
I want to see her off to the park.
Hey, Mom, you're such a good friend. Chai. Nne.
Yes, ma.
No. When you get to Sapele, tell Ngozi and her husband that we sent our love, then you can look for something you can be doing there. Yes, don't think about us here. We know there's nothing in this village, but somehow we will manage. Be a good girl.
Yes, ma.
Gracie, I heard that very soon you will be entering the university.
Yes, ma. In a month's time.
Hey, I'm so happy for the two of you.
Thank you, ma.
Ngwa, you have to go now so that you get there on time.
Yes, ma. Thank you.
Johnny messes.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Bye-bye, ma.
Gracie.
Ma?
Dalo.
Won't she join us for breakfast?
But I haven't seen her this morning.
Why didn't you search for her?
I think she should be in her room.
No, go and check her situation. She might be ill. Look at the time. She should be with us by now.
Alright, Dad.
Eh?
Alright, I will.
Learn how to care for that girl. Feel her.
It's okay, Dad.
She's half of you, you're half of her. Whatever you do, she should be involved.
Okay, Dad. Excuse me, Dad. It's alright, Dad.
George.
Good morning. Can I help you?
The prince said that you should come to the diner.
Please, I'm not ready for that now. They can eat. I'll eat later. Or better still, bring it up for me. I'm tired.
Okay.
Who is here? Oh, Mama. Mama. Ihuaku.
Who is that?
Ihuaku.
Who is that?
Ah, it's me. Oh. Uncle Joe, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm here to see you.
Me? To see me?
So, how have you been faring since Oloma left?
Well, God has been by my side. I collected some money from her before she left to the palace.
From who?
Iwaku.
Yeah, that's very thoughtful of her. I brought you some food. I made it specially for you.
Food?
Yes.
Food? For me?
I made it specially for you.
Right, thank you. Food. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I think I have to be on my way. But please, keep this flask very well for me.
No problem.
Auntie Ngozi, the only thing I hear from those two people is Prince. Prince, oh, Prince, oh, hey, Prince, him, hey, Prince, oh, morning, afternoon, Prince. And you know the funniest part of it? I'm yet to know the prince she's getting married to. They are being so discreet about the whole thing. I begin to wonder.
Hi, Philomena. She will never change. I beg you, let's leave that story. How is Job, my brother?
Uncle Job is okay, you know now. You know how he is. He doesn't like trouble. He likes being on his own. But the day Uncle Job will remember those two people, hey, all hell will break
my
loose.
brother. I know him. God will keep him for me.
Commissioner. Sit down. Hey! So, officer, what wind blows you to my abode today? Was there anything wrong?
Of course, nothing is wrong, Your Highness. I need your help in a very trivial issue.
All right. By the way, how is your family?
They are doing wonderfully well.
Okay. All right. You can open up. Let me hear you.
All right. Your Highness. Your Highness, can I have a word with you somewhere else?
Okay. Oloma.
I'll call you back.
Could you give us some privacy?
Okay.
Yes. Thank you for that. Very much. Open up. Let me hear you.
Your Highness.
I'm not giving you this gift right now. You know, you've been like a family friend to us since you came back to the village. You've been there for us. And you're like a backbone to my sister, Oloma.
Actually, Ihuaku, I appreciate this your gift. Huh? And the fact that my efforts are being appreciated. I appreciate that very much. But I think you have to keep this gift for now. Yeah? Keep it for now.
Okay. Thanks for not telling anyone that you saw me at Azubike's house the other day.
What is wrong with you? Are dropping a message with Azubike? There is nothing wrong with that. Please don't worry about that. How is your husband?
He's fine. He actually brought me back home and he's waiting.
Ihuaku.
So
very soon you'll become a madam. Ihuaku.
Alright, I have to go now.
So soon? Come inside now, let me give you something.
No, thank you. My husband is waiting at home.
Okay, no problem. Let me see you off now.
So Mama is not yet back. Anyway, you know you are the father of this house now. And you have to take care of the house. This one is coming up in 2 days' time. And I hope you'll be there. You haven't come to visit me at my palace, have you?
My queen, hope I'm not taking so much of your time.
No, darling. How are you?
Fine, is my mom back?
No, she's not.
I can see Uncle Job has been keeping you busy.
As you can see.
Alright, why don't you go in and wait for my mom to come back?
It's alright. Hold on a minute. Uncle, this is for you.
You mean the prince brought you back? And actually waited for me to come back? Hey! Let me see him. Hi!
I enjoyed myself. I eat as much as I want to. I sleep anytime I want to sleep. The laundress wash my clothes. Water washes everywhere in the house. I even watch CNN, NTV,
Channel, like we used to have in Sapele.
Exactly. But this TV is different though. This TV is very mighty. I didn't feel like coming back. I'm telling you.
That means you enjoyed yourself now. Yeah.
Except for when they will call me Oloma and I will forget to answer. I don't know why I always forget that name. Mom, don't you think I should tell him? He loves me already.
No, not yet. Till after the ceremony. Just try and get used to the name. Hey. So you mean You were not washing.
I wasn't doing anything. I only watch TV, paint my anything I want to do. I don't touch anything. I don't even go to the kitchen. Nothing.
Hey.
I miss you too, my dear. How is your husband?
Fine, my husband is fine. And sister, my Israeli ceremony is tomorrow. I hope you come.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You mean you're getting married to the Prince of Anioma? Do you know that the King of Anioma and Dad are friends?
Are they?
Yes. Oh, I never knew. And you didn't tell me. See, if I hadn't come all the way now, I would have missed out.
Oh, sorry. Now you're here now.
It's okay. You know you're my baby sister. I'm always at home.
Welcome.
So that you can gist me. What are you even wearing? Have you put me?
How could you be so stupid to invite that girl to that ceremony? Have you forgotten she's the carbon copy of her mother? What if the king recognizes her?
Mom, I'm sorry. I've said I'm sorry now. I wasn't thinking.
You had better start thinking well. Iwako, if you spoil this project for me, I will kill you and kill myself.
What have I done?
I saw it there. I said I saw it there. Destiny, my sister, destiny. You're not gonna be stopped.
Hey, oh no, you look so healthy.
Hey, are you serious?
Hi, Sapele.
My dear Sapele is fantastic. My auntie is spoiling me rotten.
Hey,
I'm telling you, she's wonderful. I only came back to pick up some credentials, only for me to hear that today is a wine festival.
Today?
Today.
So, where is the village of the prince?
Anioma, Prince of Anioma.
Hey! That's good though. I'm so happy for her. Chai.
I'm not going on. I'm contemplating on going. Well, they didn't tell me on time. I didn't know anything about it. I only came back yesterday night and I heard it. Is it fair?
Olu, it's not fair. Olu, please, you have to. You have to go. Oh? If not, it will seem as if you're not happy for her. And that's not the case. You know Auntie Philo, she can talk. Pico, oh?
You're right, I'll go, but can't they... So, anyway, I got stuff for you, Jeff. For you. Your favorites.
I thought you forgot.
Am I mad?
That chesty back is happening. Thank you. Juice for me.
What to where? To where now?
Let's go and take a taxi. We can't be waiting for that car to come.
But the car is coming now. What about Uncle Job? What of the elders? Are we going to go without them?
Which elders? Which Uncle Job? You want to tell me now that you know the tradition more than myself? Let's go. We are better off without these people. Come. Pick up. Come. I don't want to.
Uncle Job! Hey, you're looking good now. What's wrong with you? You're not happy? This is not a small thing, no. This is nice, Uncle Job. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. It's good.
What is the use of the clothes? After raising my hope, they left me here. It's an insult. They've insulted me.
What? They left you? Have they gone?
After raising my hope, they left me here. They've insulted me.
Then I'm not going anywhere. What kind of rubbish is this? I'm not going anywhere. Why would they leave you here? For what now? Why would they leave you here?
Adeze, your case is different. You must go. You must go. It's important.
Are we not part of the family? Why would they just run off like that and then left you here? They want me to go.
She's your sister. Go and stand as the father.
My father?
Adeze, you must go.
Uncle Job, you're very funny.
You must go.
What am I even going to go and wear now? What will I wear? What will I wear now?
Adeze, wear anything.
What will I now wear?
Wear anything. sackcloth. After all, your God has made you beautiful from heaven. Even in the darkness, you will shine. Wear anything! Anything! Come on, they're stupid people. Oberoge! Oberoge!
Oh, Nana. Hey, you go fit to delay. But you no go deny him. You go fit to play game. I say, you no go fit change him. I say, one day, the truth go prevail. My sister, now so you day. You go fit to play your game. But you know we change him. I say, fit to delay him. But you know we deny him. One day, the truth go prevail. My brother, now so you day. Now so you day. I say, now so you day. Destiny, my sister, destiny. You no go fit stop am o. You no go fit change am o. My sister, oh. Na so e dey. If you reach your turn o, na so you go dey smile o. If it no be your turn o, it no go come o. Destiny, my sister, destiny. Destiny, na so e dey. Abi you fit stop the rain, my sister, you fit stop the sun. Destiny, destiny.
Uncle Joe!
Destiny. That's all you did.
Uncle Joe, I'm ready to go.
That's all you did. You're not going to stop the clock.
I'm late. Uncle Joe, I'm going. I'm late. Bye-bye. See you soon.
If it not be your turn, my sister, make you not kill yourself, yo. If it not be your own, yo. It not gonna be your own, yo. I say, delay, but you no go deny him. You go fit to play game, but you no go fit change him.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yes, good afternoon.
Please, I'm asking for Oloma Obiора's compound.
Okay, Oloma Obiora. My compound is just down the road here. Who are you, please?
Sorry, I was sent by the prince to bring her, the wife, down to the palace.
Okay. Hey, they've gone. They went by public transport. Okay, you know what? You're going there. Let me come and join you.
Okay, you can come and join me.
That's all you did. Destiny, my brother, sister, destiny. That's all you did. I say, that's all you did. If one door close, my brother, another door go open you. Come, we not get to tell you. Now go the drive and fly. So make you not cry, my sister. I say, dry your eyes. Dry your eyes, oh. Now so you day. Whatever you do for night, my sister must surely show for day. So shine your eyes and be wise. Whatever you do, another must surely come to you. Beautiful return, no. Now so it day. So destiny, my sister, say destiny. Destiny. Now so it day. I say it. But you know what you
What kind of a trouble is this now, eh? Driver, why did you carry us from the bus stop when you know that your motor is not good? Eh?
Madam, cool down now, I'll fix it.
Don't calm down now. He will fix it. Calm down.
Fix Guinea. Go and fix it now. Here. Oh. Hey, we don't have time again, no. Eh?
One day, don't prepare, brother, my brother. I say, that's so you did. Beautiful return. But you know what you did. It's coming back to me, my sister.
Fix this thing now, fix.
I say, one day, the truth go prevail.
Others, you're very much welcome. I'm happy about your presence here. Now, any moment from now, the bride will arrive and we'll begin celebration. We have plenty to eat, drink, and enjoy. In fact,
Guys! Stop that girl! Stop that girl! Stop her!
Hey, kedu ụdị ekwensu dị ife a? If we had known, we would have waited for that cow. Hey! What kind of bad luck is this? My enemies are at work, but they can't get me.
The worst part of it is that you can't even get a car or a bike around here. Mommy, see what I was telling you. We would have waited for that car. Now look at what is happening to us. We are stranded. Impatience.
Madam, please now, please, I will soon finish now.
Aburo soon, finish it fast. Let's go.
Hey.
What is happening? Huh? Was it Chizoba I saw? No, it can't be her. Chizoba is dead. But that cloth, I ordered for that cloth specially from a shop in America. You can't find that cloth elsewhere. What is happening?
Dad, that was the same girl I told you that saved me the other night at Umueze.
God! God! I must get to the root of this confusion, this mystery. What is happening? God!
Why does this girl keep appearing and vanishing? Imagine she came right into my palace and before I could say a word, she's gone again. What is it about this girl? What?
You don't have to worry, my prince. It could be a coincidence.
Look, you don't have to worry, my prince.
We definitely have to find her and solve this puzzle. Yes, I'm sure.
We definitely find her and solve this puzzle. I'm sure. Wow.
My prince.
Mother. Mother.
Prince. I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. Everything is alright, okay? You are welcome. Please, come on, let's go in, okay? My lady, how are you? You're looking good. Mother.
What's wrong? I'm coming. Adeze! I'm coming up. What's wrong? Adeze! What's wrong? Adeze coming. Adeze! Adeze! What's wrong? Adeze! Hey, Adeze!
Hey! Who could this be? Who could this be that wore a dress so beautiful as to stop an occasion? You see? I told you to keep this whole thing to yourself, but you wouldn't listen. Today, Okeke's house. Tomorrow, Okore's house. How on earth am I going to know how to tackle this thing now? Eh?
See, Mom, I don't like the way you always accuse me when there's a problem in this house. Always, I don't like it. Stop it, I don't like it.
Yes, see. Yes, see. I will accuse you. I will accuse you, Ihuako. I told you to keep this whole thing to yourself. See, me, even my best friend in this village, that is if I even have one, does not know who you are getting married to. But you, anybody you see, I am getting married to the prince. I am getting married to the prince. Meanwhile, the prince will come here and he will never meet you at all. Ihuako, if this marriage flops, we are finished. You cannot disgrace me. You cannot disgrace me. Today, Nkiruka's house. Tomorrow, Azuka's house. The other day, Okore's house. Okeke's house. Now look at it. All my sweat. All the stress. I told you this is a project, Ihuako. I told you it is a project. Begin to pray.
So you're now using me to do projects, Mommy? Me? Project, me?
You are my project.
You're using me to do project.
You are my project! I told you. Just begin to pray. Ihuako, begin to pray. Begin to pray.
What baffles me is that the news is everywhere. Eh? The king of Anioma sent a message to our own king to put up a search. The youths in this village are on a search as I'm talking to you. I don't know what you have done to deserve all this.
That's it. It's always me. From one problem to the other. Can't you see? It's always me. Me. I'm tired.
It's okay.
I'm tired.
Always okay. Just stop crying, please. Let's think of something. Stop crying.
According to the prince, her name is Oluoma.
Oluoma?
Yes.
I'm sure it cannot be our own Oluoma.
But the prince said she saved him one night. And if it's a night I know, the only person who saved him happens to be your daughter, Oluoma.
Azuwike, I have told you, it is not our own Oluoma. Eh? Yes, I think she must have gone back to Sapele because I've not seen her since yesterday. It's okay.
I hope she's fine.
Yes, sir. My daughter is pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes, sir. you are looking at the royal grandmother. You can go now. Let me go and take care of her.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Let me take care of her. Akum, mommy.
She's not in any kind of trouble, okay?
But I have not seen her. If I have, I will tell you. I have not.
Okay, when you see her, tell her to come out. That she has not committed any crime. She's a woman. Who knows? She must have found favor in the eyes of the king. Yes.
Don't worry, I will tell her whenever I see her.
Good. I should be on my way now.
Yeah. Let me see you off now.
Okay.
Run away, princess.
No, it's not like that, Grace. Honestly, it's not like that.
Why did you rub that?
You don't understand.
You go fit to delay, but you no go deny am o. You go fit to play game o, I say, but you no go fit change am o. I say, one day na one day.
Oloma is betrothed. Not betrothed to anyhow person. Betrothed to the prince of Anioma. Hi, Philomena.
That's an ancient tradition. Those things happened a long time ago. Things don't work like that these days. But even if it does, it's a good thing now.
Shut up. You a fool. You are a fool. Is it when you grow old and wrinkled that you will become wise? Your father is ill. Every kobo he made has been spent on that ailment, yet all to no avail. Don't you know that your father can give up at any time?
God forbid. My father will not drop dead.
I'll shut up. Is your father God? Is your father not a human being? Even me here, your mother, I can die at any time.
Oh, Mommy, I don't like this now. Stop talking about death. Who will you leave me for if you die? Stop mentioning death. It gives me the creeps. I don't like it.
Oyibo, it gives me the creeps. You think it's all about speaking English? Ihuaku, don't you know that a woman's crown is a husband? You need a husband. You need a family even when I'm gone. Ihuaku, you need a husband.
You should have told me now that that's the problem. I should have known. Okay, do you know what? From now onwards, I will start considering suitors.
It is not considering. You must get one.
Okay, I will get. But for now, let us go in and eat. Sister Oloma has finished cooking. Oh,
I'm not hungry.
Let's go now. Don't worry, I now know what the problem is. Let me stick one.
Deceit. Agu. The time has come. The set time has arrived. Agu, mommy, you know I'm your mother. And I will never ever deceive you. Good. Give me the soap. Take these drugs to your father and pretend to be Oloma.
Here. Which one is this? No, I won't do it. Which one is this one now?
You won't do it?
I won't.
Agu, why do you want to kill your mother now? This is our only opportunity to enjoy life. Oloma has not even seen anybody, so it's not as if you want to wrong somebody. You know your father loves her more than any one of us. Probably he must have kept something for her, an allowance or something for her to fall back on if he's gone. Agu, be smart.
Even if. No, it's not a reason to do this. No, sorry, I won't do this one.
You will not do it.
I won't.
You will not do it. No problem. Don't do it. I will just kill myself for you. Don't do it. I will die. Let me see how you're going to come. I will just kill myself. Hey, I'll just kill myself for you.
I was at the backyard when I heard voices, like I always do. I came closer to the window and heard her saying,
Okay. You want me to go there and act like Oloma?
Wham. Yes. Ne be smart. Oh, I come on me. Oh no, because you want.
I don't like this at all. I'm just doing this thing for you. I'm only doing it for you.
Just go. Keep that face well. Go. Keep the face well. Hey, Philomena, fellow.
my mind went down memory lane to that one fateful day in Sapele. Prince Apanoa.
Joe,
you're welcome. Yeah, we're gonna. I'm inside.
So, I just praise God to walk out.
So, my dear, the search is not a search of doom. It's a search of joy, happiness. Go inside and dress up. Come home. The set time has come. Oberoge. Oberoge. Oge Ruo. The set time has come.
Don't cry.
I believe
no
him.
time to cry. Uncle Joe, hold on. Let's get ready and go with you. So I will go together, please.
No. Don't worry. You don't need to worry. Oh? They cannot run away. If worst comes to the worst, he will marry the two of you. A royal blood will never be given birth to outside the palace. So you don't need to worry. Huh? Don't worry. He will marry you too.
You see, the reason why I refused to disclose her identity was because I had the intention of marrying her. Although she blatantly refused. Well, as it stands, I don't stand any chance at all. So, don't worry, I'll take you to her.
That's what I'm talking about. Shall we?
Okay.
How nice of
Some things will never be, no matter what. Doesn't matter how long it takes, the truth will never show. It could take a million miles to find the truth. Yeah, two heads that beat as one can never lie.
My in-law. My in-law.
This is
the prince. My in-law. The luckiest man in the world.
Please, I want to see Oloma.
Oloma? Which of the Oloma?
Oloma, fair.
Which one? Which of the Oloma? Is it the original Oloma Obiora? Or the fake Oloma Ihiaku Obiora? Or the fake stepmother of Oloma Obiora? Which one?
What are you saying?
I'm just counting my name.
Shut up, my friend.
Mother.
Hey, Ogum. Prince Mo. Nah.
How are you?
Fine. No.
Good to see you, mother.
Oh, no.
Oloma, how are you? Wow.
That is Oloma.
Some things will never be, no matter what. Doesn't matter how long it takes, the truth will never show. It could take a million miles to find the truth. Yeah, two heads that beat as one can never lie. Oh, I am your king, you are my queen. We stick together, we cross tonight. You are my queen, and I'll be your king. We stick together,
My name is Uloma Obiora.
Oloma Obiora. Are there two Oloma Obioras in your village?
No, sir. I'm the only Oloma Obiora.
Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Okay. You exude the confidence of Chisaba. I can even see the aura. My daughter, my wife, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Welcome. George.
Yes, Dad.
Two of you kneel down here. Let me bless you. The thing two of you are looking for, you will get.
Job, the Obi of Anyoma sent for you.
Me? Hope there is no problem.
No problem. He sent for you.
I am not saying that you shouldn't take him more, but at least you should have informed us. We live in this house.
I'm sorry, madam, but the Obi sent for him.
Who?
Let's go.
Inform room. Who? Who? Town.
Who?
You go fit to delay, but you no go deny am. You go fit to play game, I say you no go fit change am. I say one day na one day, the truth go prevail. My sister, that's so you dey. You go fit to play your game, but you no fit change am. I say fit to delay am.
So these people have used system to dump us here after impregnating you. Iwaku, take care of the house. Let me go to that palace.
One day, the truth go prevail. My brother, na so you dey, na so you dey. I say na so you dey. Destiny, my sister, destiny.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Uncle Job, you're enjoying yourself, aren't you?
Yes. Yes. You people take this thing over there.
Uncle Joe, you don't see it always over there, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
What's actually there?
Yeah, it is, but it's not as tasty as this.
Are you serious?
You know, this is where we have the real one.
My prince, there is a woman waiting for you.
A woman?
Yes.
Are you expecting me?
No. Alright, honey, excuse me, okay? I'll be right back.
Seems to be
There's nothing.
Uncle Joe, you like it, don't you? You have a drink there. Drink up now.
I have it. No problem. I have it.
I wonder who's at the gate.
Are you expecting me?
Uncle Joe, drink up now. You're not drinking anything.
So I should not go inside. My daughter must enter this place. She must be married into this compound. And when that happens, I will personally make sure that both of you are sacked. Leave me now. Let me enter here. I will sack you people. Bet me. Bet me. Bet.
What's going on here? Can I be of any help to you?
Yes, so you can help me. My daughter is pregnant for you.
Pregnant?
Pregnant.
Grace, let me go and see who's at the gate, please. Just a bit worried.
Okay.
Uncle Joe, come. Let me just check who's at the gate, please.
Please come quick.
I will.
Grace, enjoy yourself. I told them.
I'm enjoying
People that they don't have anything. They don't have their own empire. They are making noise. This is our own empire. Our own empire. Eat. Enjoy yourself. Nothing excellence comes easy.
Look, madam, I never laid my hands on your daughter.
Liar! Liar! How can a priest like you be lying like this? Eh? My daughter has never ever known any other man apart from you. So you want to marry two sisters, okay? You want to marry two sisters? I will not let it happen. I will never let it happen. It is my daughter you're going to marry.
Guards, don't let this woman into my palace.
Look at you. Oloma! Oloma, look at you. Look at you, Oloma. Look at what you're doing to yourself. Look. I will sack you. By the time my daughter is married into this palace, I will sack both of you. Bet me now, I will personally sack two of you. No problem. When it happens, don't say that Philomena is a bad woman. Oh, Prince, that's for you. Don't even try it. What rubbish?
Listen, I've told you, just find your way.
Wait now.
Listen to what? I beg you, in the name of God, leave me alone, leave me alone. I said leave me alone. Just go home. What's your problem? I am a young man struggling to survive. Oh, you want them to come and kill me? No. You want the high and mighty to destroy me. That's your plan.
I don't want you destroy you now, Azu. The prince is getting married to my sister.
Story. I don't know what you're talking about. You heard me. I don't know, and I am not ready to raise a family yet. I'm not ready to raise a family. What's your problem? See, from now onwards, answer your name, I answer my name. Did you hear me?
No, Azu, you can't do this to me now, after all we shared now.
Shared what? Iwaku, I didn't share anything with you. You heard me. You spent so many times with the prince. And all of a sudden you're coming to tell me that it's me. Why all of a sudden sharp, it's me? Why put the blame on me? Iwaku, please, I use the name of God to beg you. Leave me alone. I don't have anything to do with it. Answer your name, I answer my name.
Hey.
Anytime you hear Azubike, turn your ear. Please.
Azu, wait now. We can work without
Iwaku, I'm telling you, Iwaku. Respect yourself and behave yourself. Don't try me.
Azu, you can't do this to me now. You can't.
Iwaku, what's your problem?
Please now.
I'm warning you, behave yourself.
Azu, please now. I'm begging you now. Why are you doing this to me after all we shared? That's why.
I'm warning you.
Now, let's work it out now, please. Azu, you can't do this to me.
God, I thank you. Jesus Christ, I thank you. For you are indeed the father of the fatherless. Hey.
He also asked me to give you this for your transport.
Hey, you don't have to. They don't have to, even if I don't have. I'll borrow because I can't afford to miss my niece's traditional wedding. Hey, please, when you get there, tell them that I lost my phone. That was why they couldn't reach me. But I'll write out the new number for you. Just wait.
That reminds me. Oloma added that you should call me your best attire.
Hey, I will. She loves me now. Wait.
Where have you been? Huh? I was worried about you.
I went to Azubike's house.
Azubike Ozokwa. Come and sit down. The prince rejected the pregnancy. You see, these men who look noble, fear them. Because most of them are snakes. Don't cry. Oh? Don't cry. I am going to fight them with the last drop of my blood. Everything is going to be okay. It's okay.
George is not responsible for my pregnancy.
What? Then who is?
Azubike.
What? Azubike. The village gatesman? That stout? That non-entity? Iwaku, you have killed. You have killed him. Hey. Hey.
Straight. It didn't happen to you?
Honestly, but you know I'm strong.
Oh, no, you should be. George.
Wow.
George, you played so tirelessly today. What was the secret?
Dad, I must confess. I just found what my heart and spirit has sought for all my life. You really made the right choice for me, Dad.
I'm happy you're happy. Yeah. Very happy you're happy. But I saw her in the kitchen early this morning preparing your food. Why did you allow her go through such stress? Have you forgotten she's a queen?
Dad, I tried to stop her, but she said, in quote, no one, but no one, will prepare my husband's meal, not while I'm hale and hearty. Unquote, Dad.
I like that. I like that. But let me ask. Did you actually do it? I mean, did you make the other girl pregnant?
Dad, I gave you my word. I never touched her.
I believe you. I believe you. I just wanted to confirm. Can you imagine the other impostor? Eh?
Terrible, Dad.
Olorma is a lucky girl. Very lucky. But she makes me believe that people's name can direct their destiny.
I agree with you, Dad. I agree with you, certainly.
Anyway.
Ebe si mo si n'ụzọ wee sị gị na m desi ụzọ ka afọ nwaanyị mụọ bụrụ obodo pala eke n'aka. Otu na nwa adaka. Woman, take this, rub it all over your body. Then go over to his house and embrace him. As soon as you do, leave. Then he will run mad and die before day breaks.
Thank you, Nai.
Make sure you do not touch anyone except him.
Thank you, Nai.
Oh, tuna adaka. Oh, tuna mwa adaka eti yako.
I said you go fit to delay, but you no go deny your move. You go fit to play game move. I said, but you no go fit change your move. Destiny, one day na one day, one day na one day.
I hope I will meet someone. I will do as Ogidi instructed, as Ubike is finished. Hey, Ngozi. On jebe kona baba.
What is wrong? Wait. Mama, forget that thing, so we are happy. I'm coming for the traditional wedding. Please, let's go. Let me get my...
Traditional wedding? Yes.
What is wrong?
Yes!
Traditional. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Traditional. traditional wedding. We will have it. There's no traditional wedding. No traditional. Come here. Come. Go to the wedding. 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 Man pass man. Wedding.
So be one my sister. So be one my sister. I said, my brother, my sister. I said,
Isi,
come. Oh na. I said, destiny, my sister.
Okay, come.
Say, one day now, one day, the truth go prevail. My sister,
come.
Now so it day.
My queen, Auntie Grace and her friend are here to see you.
Really? Okay, send them in. Oh my God, you look good!
Thank you.
Hot, man.
Don't forget I'm now a campus babe.
Abio, please remind me. Oh, how are you, girl?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look good.
Thank you. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
Where's
you.
your friend that you came with? Did you come alone? Eh? Who is this woman? What's she doing here? What are you doing here?
Oh, you calm down, please.
Iwaku, what are you doing here?
Sister, please forgive me. I didn't mean to do all those things to you. It was my mother that led me to do them. I didn't want to do them. I've been suffering. Even my mother has gone mad. I'm all alone, please. Please forgive me.
Olu, please. Find it in your heart to forgive her. She has suffered enough. You need to see where I found her. Close to a refuse dump. By the market square. Eh? Please. If you can't do it for her, please do it for your father. Remember, she's still his daughter. And your blood, please, Olu, please. Olu, please. Oh?
It's okay, darling. It's okay.
Come here. Young girl, sister. You're crying, she. Now you're crying. Stop crying. Wipe your tears, okay?
Just a little time, and he's gonna be mine. I'll keep on moving like a bird in the sky.
I am your king, you are my queen. We stick together and we cross the Nile. You are my queen, and I'll be your king. We stick together and we touch the sky.
See, no matter what tomorrow may bring, it will never pass me by. As long as we can live and we'll see, truly we are meant to be. So clear for all to see.
see.
We could stand eternity.
Oh.
It's more than reality.
More than
reality.
reality.
Meant to be.
Every time I close my eyes, I'll see your lovely face. My queen, my queen, my queen, you my everything. It takes eternity to put us apart. Each time I think of you, you made me complete. I am your king. You are my queen. You are my queen. We stick together. We stick together. Tonight. Oh, you are my queen. You are my queen. And I'll be your king. And I'll be your king. We stick together. Together. We touch the sky. I am your king. I am your king. You are my queen. You are my queen. We stick together. Together. We cross the Nile. You are my queen. Forever. And I'll be your king. I'll be your king. We stick together. Oh no. We touch the sky. Oh no. Yeah. I am your king. Oh, you are my queen. Oh no. We stick together. We stick together. We cross the Nile. We cross the Nile. We cross the Nile. No matter what the future brings. No matter what tomorrow brings. No matter what the future brings. We stick together. We touch the sky. I am your king. I'll be your hero. You are my queen. I'll be your hero. We stick together. We stick together now. No matter what the future, my queen. No matter what tomorrow brings. No matter what tomorrow brings.